York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
The old one should have lasted longer, but it was asphalt shingles. And we get a lot of pretty good wind up here. And I'm finding shingles 4 or 5 in the yard every time we get a bad storm. And our house leaked in the dining room and in our formal dining room. And I decided that sometimes I'm in the garage in my workshop looking if we got a good storm coming. I look out and I can see the shingles on the roof lifting up.
New York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
My son actually helped me find him on the internet. And that was close enough to me, so I had him come down here and he showed me some samples. And
New York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
Couldn't be better. His crew, Bruce and his crew, they're polite, they're courteous, they answered all the questions you had, and when they got here, this is how it looked, and when they left, this is how it looked. I couldn't find scraps or nothing on the yard, nothing, and that was really impressed me also, you know.
New York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
It looks 50,000 times better than I thought it was going to look. I mean, I knew it was going to be better than what I had, but Rembrandt would definitely be proud. No, and it looks very nice. Yep. Very nice.
New York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
How do I feel about that? Super relieved. I wish I would have did it years ago. But like everybody else, you don't look that far ahead. But it's very comforting to know you never have to worry about it again. I also plan on doing the other 2 now. I don't like the way they looked after I got this done.
New York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
If we sell the house, the warranty is transferable to the new owner, and then it'll be guaranteed as long for them as it is me. Lifetime warranty is lifetime warranty.
New York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
As far as having a fire, the fire department doesn't live right next door here. We're a ways from it. So if we did have a fire, it would be a while before they got here. But I sure wouldn't worry about the roof. And actually, the roof will outlast the house. It's that simple.
New York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
Definitely going to increase the value of the house. Absolutely. That's about all I can say about that.
New York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
I'd never go back to asphalt. Never. I don't care if it's a doghouse, it's going to get metal roof on it.
New York Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand.
I wouldn't recommend anyone else. Absolutely. You hear that, Bruce?
Strand Metal Roofing. New York Strand at WImetalroofing.com.